The heck? I think we're back. Alright, that was weird. Okay, this is nice. This is good. So now you actually get a clean, you get a clean error on this. And if I pass back over work, then you're allowed to do it. You do this full time? Yep. Puffer AI is fixing reinforcement learning. We're making everything fast and sane. At the moment, there's a lot of just polished stuff gearing up for the next release. But there's also quite a bit of interesting open source work going on as well. So this is the new version of docs that will be just at puffer.ai. And lots of new environments are here. A couple still need some contributors. Breakout, Pong, all running policies live in browser super fast. Okay, so that's that vec thing taken care of. I think there are a number of other vec things. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, and then the defaults here are set up for 24 core machines. So it makes sense that we get this by default. That's a good check. Not an ML, but like to play around. Quite a bit of fun stuff around that, I mean, it's mostly engineering work. Knowing what to build, it's not overworked GPU here. Knowing what to build, obviously, is the AI background coming into play. We got lots of contributors that are just doing general eng work and building M's and stuff, and it's all very useful. Environment does not support seeding, okay. So we're gonna have to figure this thing out, I think, as well. The priority should be, though, that the ocean M's work nicely. That's gonna be the priority. And right now, I don't think I'm fully satisfied with the way these are bound. Go back to docs. So this API on its own is fine. Envars. Trying to think if I like this or not. I think the reason that I did this is because you can pass stuff as like a list or whatever. So there'll probably need to be some testing around that. Yeah, this type of thing is so awkward. Right. Because if you have like a list of args, now you have to pass a list of lists, or if you have like n args, now you have to pass a list of dictionaries. That's just gross. I mean, but the only alternative is you have to pass like a list of lambdas, which I think is worse. Potentially. Maybe I don't need to rethink this portion right now. I mean, I don't want to like... It's a pretty low priority change, I think. I don't think I've had anybody get super confused by this specifically. So if I keep that for now, then I think that the only main thing is going to have to be the actual binds themselves, right? Yeah, so we have all these, it's like 200 lines of stuff in here. And most of it doesn't really need to exist, I think. Spaces. Sanity M's could use an update. Yeah, I think that this thing goes into snake. And then like most of these are dated. Like I don't even know if these work at the moment. Morning. So yeah, I think we just move these into snake. We set these all to none. And then we add like preset equals 360p here. I don't really like the way that I have the arguments being chosen at the moment. Like with these presets. I'm trying to think if I even need any of this, right? The best thing would be to not have this code here. I mean, I made it this way for curriculum learning, right? What if I just do it's just your default. Okay. Port interval, max snake length. Render mode is human. And I just get rid of all these presets, yeah? That's just better, isn't it? Then we don't have this confusing thing here. And you just specify what you want. Way easier. Yeah, the best version, I think, of the preset is no preset. Spacing is bothering me, but it really doesn't matter. I will leave it the original way. Okay, so this here, you have to be able to check if the thing is iterable, right? This stuff is so obnoxious. I think this is clear enough. Do I want to like go through and put API usage errors on everything? I think I probably do, right? The thing is, you get the type checks. I guess it's fine. Okay. Got total snakes. What do we use snake shape for? We literally do not use snake shape. Oh. Yeah, I see. I don't even know if this should be a parameter, or we should just compute it automatically. I think that's in decent shape. I don't know if I want to like just let them be in decent shape though, or if I want to go through and just like fully polish and finish each one. Maybe that would be better. I think that's probably better, just so I know it's fully done. The thing is, like, the C implementation code can always be better. Yeah, literally, so this actually just goes away. Right, this just goes away. And we get to add snake. Like, I think that's it. Okay, that's actually cleaner. Like that.